This is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Wi-Fi calling for your iPhone. So if you live in a location where the signal is really bad, well, you can connect to your Wi-Fi to make phone calls. So let's locate settings and go to this. Then scroll on down, go to Wi-Fi, and make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi internet. So you can see I'm connected to Scum. Let's go back. Then we want to go to Cellular, right here. Scroll on down. And there's an option right here called Wi-Fi calling. Select this and then turn it on. Make and receive calls over Wi-Fi with your T-Mobile account. Review your carrier's emergency calling information to understand available emergency calling over Wi-Fi. So we can just select this and turn it on. When you join a network, information about the country where the network connection is made may be sent to your carrier. So we can just go to enable right here, and it should turn on. Now I'm not connected to my T-Mobile account at the moment, but you should be able to just turn it on right there. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.